It's amazing how a certain section of people keep cribbing how Modi has destroyed free speech single handedly, or Modi and Amit Shah have destroyed free speech in India single handedly. Nobody is allowed to say what they want to, what they feel like, and yet, same people with no fear of consequences that they would be jailed or killed, they compare Narendra Modi with Asaram Bapu. They call him Pagal. They say Modi should be ashamed of himself. There are people like Anurag Basu who say that Amit Shah should be spit at, or history will spit at him. So where does this end? Do you think there is no free speech in India, or do you acknowledge that you have a free reign to literally abuse the Prime Minister of this country and nobody does anything apart from some loonies, some trolls that are on both the sides, right? There are people who abuse political leaders or influencers from the right wing. This bigotry goes both ways. I'm sure you don't know that. Leftists in India do not know a lot of things. Like the recent thing, like for example, they do not know the concept of diplomacy. They don't think that Modi invited Trump last year as a mark of that diplomacy. Same thing, same reason why he invited Obama in 2016, I think, for Republic Day parade, the first US head of state who attended India's Republic Day parade. But they neither remember that, they neither know about that event, and they don't have the first clue what diplomacy is, that you invite heads of other states, of other countries to your country. That's the most basic form of forming political connections. So yeah, that's how I would like to end. So is it hypocrisy that you keep cribbing about how there is no freedom of speech in India since 2014, and yet you managed to get away with saying any damn thing to the Prime Minister or to Amit Shah, and or are you just delusional? You do that and you still somewhere in your head you think, oh no, you genuinely think that there is no freedom of speech in India. In that case, you need help, you need medical help, or you just like the people you criticize, Arnab Goswamis, who you accuse of being an agent of BJP. Maybe he is. I mean, most likely he is. But what right do you have to criticize Arnab Goswami? I'm not even talking about a journalist. I'm not even taking names like Barkha Dutt, Nidhi Razdan. Let's talk about Bollywood. The Swara Bhaskars, these Anurag Kashyaps, these Veer Das. What? Why in the holy hell do you think you have any right to criticize people like Arnab Goswami, who probably are BJP agents, when you yourself are one, or you behave like one 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and you have been doing that from last 7 years now, right? What makes you think you are any better?
Subscribe to Legend Martini for your daily dose of lifestyle, movies, fashion, career, health and wellness, and everything else under the sun. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.